Once you've set up the Astra theme and have imported the starter template, you'll see a website with that exact same preview which you had seen, which template you had selected. You can see the pages, and then you can start editing your website. The entire website is in 3 parts. This is your header part, this is your body of the website, and then you'll have this footer. To edit your body, you will go to edit with Elementor. Elementor or Beaver Builder or Blog Editor, these are page builders which will help you to create the website without you being writing any code. You just can drag, drop, and change images or whatever sections you want to add. You can just add it. Now here I go. Let's say I want to change this. Maybe I'll write hello and any content you want to change, you can directly change here, or you can even type in here. You go to button, you can just change whatever is there on button as well. Let's say I'll take this to shop now. I can even add the link where the shop now button should take me in link. In case you see a hash here in link, just remove it, add your link, and click on update. If you see there are sections here, whatever you want to change, just go to that section, just click it. You want to change the images, just go click edit image. You can find it everything here. Anything you want to change, you can see it in rows and columns. Once you change it, just click on update and your page would be done. So here we have just changed this for now. Go here and click on view page, and you can see whatever you have updated will come here. Now to edit your header and your footer part, click on Customize, and you'll find header builder and footer builder here. Let this customizer load. Here's my header builder and here's my footer builder. I'll go to header builder. Once I clicked on header builder, if you can see this entire here, you'll find these editable options and you can go and edit it. I'll just go here. I can change the text, I can add the link. And if you see, this is your header is divided into 3 parts. This is your primary menu, site title and logo button. You can even move these. Let's say I want to move my site title here and I want to have my menu here. You can do these changes as well. See on top, you were able to change the positions. And once you click on edit, you can even change these. Let's say I want to edit this. Now here you can change the logo and just publish this. Similarly, you have to do for footer as well. Go to footer builder. Now you see, you will find these editable options. You can edit the footer and publish it. That's it. So by this, you can customize all the pages and your headers and footers for your website.